Did you know Thomas Alva Edison has 1093 patents to his name? Today when I meet someone who has filed for a patent, I feel, wow, what intelligent man. Because a patent is a proof of having found something which was unknown to humanity before. More than 100 years ago, Edison 1093 patents. But you know what is very interesting? He was not super intelligent in his childhood. In fact, there is a huge tragedy which happened in his life in his childhood. One day he came back from school. He had a slip of paper which his teacher had given. And his teacher had told, just go and give this paper to your mother. His mother opened the paper, and as she read out what was written, she had tears in her eyes and she started crying. What did she read out? She read out, your child is extra smart. He is more brilliant than what the school can do for him. In fact, no teacher in the school can teach him at his level. So it's our request, please teach Thomas at home for the betterment of his future. And she kept the paper away. Decades later, Edison's mother died. And one of those days, as he was cleaning his cupboard, he saw this box, and inside this box, he saw that paper. And just out of trifle curiosity, he opened that paper and he couldn't help but start crying. It was the same paper which his teacher had sent. What was written on that paper? Your child is addled. It means your child is an idiot. Do not send him to school. This is what was written on the paper. And the mother did not reveal to Thomas Alva Edison that the school believes he is not good enough. One of the most important lessons that I learn out of this is, whatever happens, irrespective of what the world tells about my children, I will always believe in my children. Sometimes they may not do something well. I should not conclude that they will never do well. Sometimes they will make a mistake. I should not crucify them every day by saying, you did that mistake, you did that mistake, you did that mistake. Sometimes the world will say your child is not good enough. But I, as a father, am never going to give up on my child. I will always believe that my child will do something exceptional. And the second thing which I learned out of it is, even if the world does not support me in this dream that my child is going to be exceptional, I will assume the responsibility of playing my role in molding my child. That is exactly what Thomas Alva Edison's mother did. She home tutored Thomas Alva Edison, and look at what he became. More than 100 years have passed and nobody in this planet have been able to win 1093 patents. What better proof that you need? That if a mother or if a father commits themselves to the upbringing of the children and they believe that their child will do something exceptional, who knows? Through our parenting, you and me might nurture a child who might go on to win 1093 patents. Why not? Wish you all the best in doing something incredible by believing in your child and by taking the responsibility to mold them yourself. I'm sure if you want, you can.